Oh, oh, it's a big catfish. Oh, no fish. And lost the bait.
Wow.
Oh, yeah, it's albino catfish. You see, it had a pink color. Wow. Awesome. Oh, it's broken. Oh, be careful.
Wow.
Oh.
Giant
Wow, it's an alligator gore. Oh. Oh, be careful. Oh, just leave it there. I'll help you later. It's kind of dangerous. Oh. Oh. No fish? Oh, no fish. Oh, fish on? Oh, wow. It's an albino redfish. Good catch. Amazing. It's kind of redfish. We barely catch it. Wow. It's so awesome. Oh, fish on.
Wow.
It's a big catfish. Wow. We're using the tiny fishing rod to do this amazing jobs.
Wow.
Wow. This is albino catfish. Oh, it's still strong. We just have some more. Oh,
Wow.
wow, wow.
Wow. Giant fish.
Oh, it's a giant gorgami. Wow. It's so awesome. Wow. Thank you for supporting my our channel. It's called Girl Fish You. This is how we making the video. We caught a lot of big fish today by using the tiny fishing rod. Yeah,
Wow. Big fish.
this is a big catfish. Oh. We're using snakes for bait and then tiny fishing rod, like 14 of them. And just waiting for about 8 hours or 10 hours because like we make the video for today and tomorrow we're gonna check it. And you see this time we caught a lot of big fish.
Wow.
It's really amazing. Oh, it's a albino redfish. It's amazing. Two more.
Wow. Wow. Big fish.
Wow, it's albino catfish. Awesome. We have one more. Last one.
Wow.
Oh,
Wow, big fish.
oh, with a giant catfish. Wow, wow. Amazing. Wow, it's huge. Thank you for watching and we'll see you next time.